and all. I'm indeed happy to welcome you all for the online guest lecture on Business Model Canvas organized by Institutions Innovation Council of Paavai Engineering College. I'm happy to welcome Dr. M. Prem Kumar, President of Institutions Innovation Council, Principal of Paavai Engineering College. We welcome you, sir. I warmly welcome our chief guest, Dr. G. Venkateshan, Professor, Department of Business Administration, Sono College of Arts and Science, Salem. We welcome you, sir. I welcome our convener, Dr. R. Mohanapriya, Associate Professor, EC Department. We welcome you, ma'am. I welcome our Vice President, Dr. K. Sundaramurthy, Professor, Mechanical Department. We welcome you, sir. I welcome the event organizer, Mr. S. Satish, Associate Professor, EC Department. We welcome you, sir. I cordially welcome all the head of the departments. Welcome you, sirs, and welcome you, madams. I welcome all the faculty members of Paavai Engineering College. Welcome you, sirs, and welcome you, madams. And I happily welcome all my brothers and sisters. Words may inspire, but actions create change. I'm profoundly delighted to take this opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day. Dr. G. Venkateshan took his UG degree in BSc Computer Science from Kongunadu Arts and Science, Coimbatore in the year 2009. He earned his MBA degree from GRE Institute of Management, Coimbatore, with Human Resource and Marketing specialization. He also holds another master's degree in psychology from University of Madras. He took his PhD degree from Periyar University in the year 2015. Currently, he is working as an assistant professor in the business administration in the Department of Sono College of Arts and Science, Salem. His credit has 8 years of teaching and research experience. He has acted as a resource person in many of research workshops and webinars in both national and international level, and also chaired many national and international conferences and seminars. His multi-phase skills can be witnessed through the programs he has organized. He organized a funded training program with the worth of Rs 95,000, has been sanctioned by RGNIYD, Sri Peramanu, and also received a minor research project under ICSSR New Delhi with worth of Rs 3 lakhs. Dr. G. Venkateshan is a recognized research guide of Periyar University and is guiding several PhD and MPhil scholars. He has also acted as doctoral committee member for the PhD research scholars under various universities. He is the review board member of peer-reviewed national journals. G. Venkateshan has 27 publications to his credit. He has published 5 papers in the international journals, 10 national journals, 12 in ISBM edited volumes. He received Best Research Paper Award in the year 2014 from BVIMR, New Delhi. He has many honors, included the Best Faculty Award from Mutayamal Institution in the year 2017 and also 2018, and Best Researcher Award from Puducherry Academic Researchers. And this year also, he received the Best Teacher Award under Higher Education category from Red Pond Educational and Psychological Research Center, Madurai. He is involved in consulting for few companies in Salem through market research and data analysis. He firmly believes that sincerity and dedication will help to reach greater heights in Korea. It's such a pleasure to introduce such eminent person today. We welcome you, sir. Please share your thoughts to us. Over to you.
Yes, thank you for a nice introduction. Yes, is audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Yes, today we are going to discuss about the business model canvas organized by the Paavai Engineering College, association with the IIC. Yes, I will share my screen. Yes, due to some technical issue, I can't use my laptop, so I. Yes, ma'am, my screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, once again, good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss about the business model canvas, the guest lecture program organized by our college. Paavai Engineering College, the association with the Institution Innovation Council. Right.
Excuse
We
me,
are
sir.
the yes, ma'am.
So sorry to disturb. You can just
Yes.
put it in the presentation mode. You can just give play so that it will be in enlarged.
One ma'am, one minute.
Yes, sir. Just give that play option, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you can just share your PPT so that I will screen share it.
No issues. I will. Right.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Ma'am. Yes, long back, that is initial stage, what we are in the position, what we done, our previous people, right? In the form of business, the trading, even we are aware, no? All know the border system, right? They exchange the commodities, what they cultivated in the land. They exchange some commodities to the other people. They get from people the different kind of commodities, right? So instead of exchanging the money, right, transforming the money, the middle, the not the before the evaluation of money, the form of system, that is barter system, right? Even the business terms, the technological terms, even industry evaluation, before the industry evaluation, the people are the good number of people are done the way of the barter system. They exchange the commodities for the day-to-day life, right? And in the form of now we are in the after the evaluation of industry, right? Even the people that even the picture is clearly shows that the transformation of human beings, right? From monkey to human, then after that the human technically they are strong, right? Professionally well true, right? After that the current position is virtual human being, sorry, even future the virtual human beings are there, right? Even nowadays also we are focusing in the virtual or digitalized world, right? The form of evaluation of money, right? That exchanging the commodities trade between the people, like the exchanging the commodities or things, right? After that, the gold, the form of money, the gold is exchanged, metal coin, paper money, plastic cards, electronic money, and cryptocurrencies are now is current question. We are exchanging the things. All the things are even we are using, they're rarely using all the things. uh, Even the nowadays the metal coins, the paper money, plastic cards, electronic money, cryptocurrency is moving around the situation, right? So even the business, we can do all the things in the form of digitalized transformation. We can now we are in the position to use cryptocurrencies, right? Even the very famous Bitcoin also we are using. No? Rarely we are using. Even the nowadays the people, the youngsters are very aware about the cryptocurrencies, even the investing share market. They're very much interested. Even the college, the young people, the 20 or 25 age group people, very much interested to learn technology in the form of many things. They do all the activities within the mobile phone. They're doing all, even the investing shares. They know very well, update their knowledge in the form of technology, right? So coming to our subject, right, today's discussion, right, business, what is before going to business model canvas, what is business model? It's a term. Say even the terms are very technical term. Most of the people are using, even most of the people are not aware about the terms, but they people are still using many technical terms, no? Right? Even the mostly we are the engineering background people. We are many technical terms are around the world, right? So you people are well known about the technical terms and technologies. But coming to the business people, business point of view, right? What is a business model, right? The business model is describe the rationale of how an organization creates and delivers and capture value. That is a business model. The outcome, the structure of the business, where people are doing the business in the form of this kind of structure, this kind of format, right? And that is a systematic approach. All the people are doing this kind of activities, even the small scale industries to a medium scale industry to large scale industries. All the people are doing, even the people are a small scale industry, their number of workers is less. The people are doing some systematic manner, right? Even it's not like MNC level companies. There even some people that they having still some small scale industries using petty cash system, right? Even the medium scale industry also they're doing petty cash system also. Even the many technologies came, even many technology software is came to financial transaction, financial analyze financial performance of the company. It is still they having some manual methods, traditional way practices, right? So like that is a kind of business model. Right. Even the business model canvas is a tool to create, analyze our business model. So today's topic, business canvas, right? Model canvas. It's a tool. It's a tool to analyze and the business models, right? It's a term you can use the term of business model canvas, right? What you can do in the particular topic is business model canvas. You can easily create new business models easily, right? Even civil engineering people, they're doing some activities, no, before going to build the building, right? What they're doing, they're before constructing the building, they're doing blueprint, no. Even the most of the people, even all the people are using this kind of activities, action plan. Right? Even every action we have to before the pre-planning is very important. Even we are in the planning to do organize this particular. The people are Paavai Engineering College people are organizing the particular webinar, right? Through the guest lecture, they pre-planned. That is a very important one. Already they are organized, planned many things, but when they are going to start, right? When they are going to organize a program, who is the resource person for the particular program they want to choose, right? What topic we have to frame, all things are pre-planned. So even the engineering, even not only the civil engineering, mechanical people are doing pre-planned before going to implement some activities, right? Structure. That is a model that is concept with structure forms. That is skeleton of every activity, right? Even I want to tomorrow I want to move to Coimbatore, I want to plan before starting journey, right? Same like any activity, even business, we can plan before going to implement some activities. Right? And the business model canvas will help you to start new business in the form of a easy way, right? You will get a systematic approach, right? Analyze and update your existing business model, what we have done so far, right? Even the traditional, my father business is there, my family business, the business is started by my grandparent, right? After that, my father is running the business, right? Now I want to do some innovation, right? With the help of my technology updation, right? I want to do some innovation, the part of my business, right? The particular things we want to know what is business model canvas, right? That is term is too technical, but it's a simple way, it's systematically how we want to develop our business, right? Business model canvas, right? We have some skills, set of skills we know, right? We have already implemented my knowingly, unknowingly, it's implemented in my mind, right? The brain. So that is ideas and skills converted into structure form. That is called as business model. Right? Alex et al. They the only the people that initially they invented the term business model canvas to help individual and organization conceptualize how to analyze, create, and develop business model. That is a business model canvas. How we want to develop and create, how to analyze a business model. That is a concept of business model canvas, right? Right. So today we are going to analyze or discuss about 9 building blocks in business model canvas. Simply the things, these kind of things, there is a framework. Even you can use some technical words. Not only the building blocks, you can use a framework of business model canvas, right? Here we can do the things in the form of some components. That is customer segmentation, customer relationship, channel, revenue stream, channels, value proposition, key resources, key activities, key partners, cost structure. These are the things are comes in the part of building blocks. This method is used to develop our business model. These are the skeleton, or you can tell that is the factors or dimensions. You can any kind of technical words you can choose to adopt this particular things. Right. Mainly the building blocks, the first initial stage where we want to go into analyze, right? That is a part of customer segmentation, right? Even I want to do some activities. Simply, I want to do some business, even the small scale. I want to analyze the part of the consumer perspective, right? I want to study the market, what kind of structure is there. So likewise, we want to study the customer segmentation, the part of customers' will and desire for ideal value, right? That is from our point of view, how do we get a deep insight and holistic understanding of customers' will, right? The context and activities, practices, experience. Through this kind of activities, we can do, we can know the customer segmentation. Right, their future strategies and customers. Well, we want to know the without knowing these kind of factors, we can't do in the part of customer segmentation. Right, we have segment the term segmentation is nothing but division. Right, you can think that is a division. Right, we want to divide the customers. Right, and whether the people, who is the target customer, who is the target consumer, who is going to consume our product, right? Who is purchase our product, those who are going to buy our product. That is right, that is my target, right? Even the it's a difference between customer and consumer, right? Consumer in the sense those who are going to consume our product, that is called as product or commodities or services, called as consumer, right? Even coming to the customer point of view, those who are going to purchase, maybe my father having some purchasing power in my family, right? Father is a customer. Maybe the father act as the consumer while using the particular product, right? Clear. That is a kind of segmentation we want to know, right? The part of why, what is the reason the customers buy the product, right? What kind of benefits does the customer aspire, right? The part of functional, economical, or emotionally, social, ethical, even the symbolic representation, all the things, some psychological aspect we want to segment the customers. Is there no limits to learn about the customers, right? Or would be the customer's desire for ideal situation world, right? You know the buying behavior, right? That is kind of activities. Even it's not only the manufacturing products, they are also applicable to the service industries, right? Even service industry, what is the service industry? Healthcare, right? Education industries, hospital, that is hospital industry, right? Tourism, like that. I want to know the customer segmentation, right? Next part of the building blocks. The first one is the customer segmentation, and next one is value proposition, right? What is that value proposition? From our point of view, what value are we selling, right? What we want to selling to customers, right? What are the elements of our offering, right? It's a simple term. What is the benefit to the customers while we are selling the products or commodities or services, right? What is the unique in our offer? there is a uniqueness. We want to show our uniqueness in our everyday activities, everyday products, right? Even we are in the working, even not only in the business point of view, even we are working in the sector, even while studying the higher educations or college level courses, we are showing some uniqueness in our side, no? In the classroom itself, we are showing some uniqueness, right? We want to, we will achieve something better than my neighbor, right? That kind of uniqueness. So, like same like in our business, we want to give some uniqueness to the people, right? In the part of customer point of view, what values customer buying, right? How much they capable to buy the product, right? We want to the ground study. What is the level of economic condition of the people, right? The people are coming to our market. What is the level? What is the position where the people are from rural background or urban background, right? Right, that is the kind of what kind of cultural values of that particular people, right? Even in the festival season, we want to analyze the people mindset, right? Maybe in the part of age factors, right? Whether the people are our target people are the children's group or middle age or high age people. That is a kind of the things. That is a part of the things. What are the elements the customer are needing, right? What kind of things they are expecting from us, right? Need or want, right? We want to fulfill the needs is a first primary stage. Then only we want to, then we can move to the fulfill the wants, right? Which customers are challenging and problems need to be solved, right? We are facing some challenging customers, no? They're expecting, we can't fulfill their expectation. That kind of people, right? We want to face some consequences from that kind of people. So that kind of challenges we want to face the particular things. The value proportion is a part of the building blocks in the business model canvas. We want to concentrate more in the part of the things, right? The third one is value creation. How to create our value. That is a part of customer relationship. That is a value creation, right? And from our point of view, how is our offering embedded in the customer world, right? How can we facilitate the customer to reach the goal, right? All things, that is objective, right? We want to create some relationship between the people, right? It's a very things. Even the many the or one or two or three decade before, even the business people, right, the local, the petty shop people, or grocery selling people, they're giving some, they're maintaining some good relationship between the people, because all the people in the particular village, particular place, particular locality, the people are, all the people are, they're having some relationship, right? They are, all the people are treated as family members. But nowadays it's not like that, right? Because we are in the technological era, and the market is very different. We are the people are created many branded showrooms. The customer relationships are not maintaining the properly, right? So this kind of activities we want to more concentrate in the part of value creation. That is a customer relationship. Right. How in the perspective of customers, how does a value emerge in the customer practice? That is from of mental and emotional experiences, how they want, they're expecting, how, what is the practices they follow, right? How the customers are long-term benefits accomplished, right? We no need to fulfill the short-term things, right? Short-term benefits. We want to long run, and we want to run the business. We want to give input to the long run benefits, right? What is the benefit to the people? That is a point of customer relationship. We want to maintain the relationship, the goodwill, right? The brand image, all the things, the technical terms are raised in the particular things, right? And the fourth one is channels. That is interaction and co-production. such a channel of distribution. We can tell that is channel of distribution, right? From our point of view, how we can support the customer co-production and interaction between us and the customer. That is a part of customer activities during the different use of contest, interacting with the people. That is a part of channel of distribution, right? Even the distribution comes under the part of supply chain management, no? Right? All things we want to concentrate in the part of channel of distribution. Next one is revenue streams, right? Even we can tell that the revenue streams and the metrics we want to measure, right? Financially, the part of what is our earnings logic and how is our financially feedback generated, all the things, how we can apply customer value based pricing, right? Even we want to introduce a product in the market in the introduction stage, right? Which kind of pricing strategy we want to fix, right? Whether it may be a skimming pricing or penetrating pricing method, right? In the introduction stage, the part of even you know very well about the product life cycle, right? Like that, the human life cycle is there, no? Like that, we have the product life cycle given by beautifully given by Fripp Kotler, the marketing management concept, right? Introduction, growth, maturity, decline stage. Right? Introduction stage, we want to introduce a product. What kind of strategy, pricing strategy we want to follow? So that is whether we may be applicable to skimming or penetration based on the market, based on the product level. What is our market position in the particular area? Right? All the things we want to carry in the part of revenue stream. Right? What is value do we get the money? Right? What are the key performance metrics of our business success? All the things we want to measure on the part of all the things. Even we can see the customer perspective, right? Which benefits the customers are really willing to buy now, right? Financially value the customers gets. They're getting the purchasing the products, they financially the worthable one or not. We want to analyze, right? Simply we can't do fix the pricing methods, right? All the things we want to do some groundwork activities. Right? Next one is a key performance indicator is very important to the customers in the part of revenue generation. All the things we want to concentrate the part of revenue streams. Next one is key resources. That is key resources. What are the resources we have? What are the skills and knowledge do we need in the part of doing business, right? What other materials and immaterial resources and tools are required? That are the things we need to know. The resources. The resources, no, we have many resources. When the technology is a major resource to us, right? Manpower, right? Technology, or to machineries. Even the manufacturing sector, the machinery is a major resource to us, right? Manpower in the kind of labors while acting the activities in the part of manufacturing unit. All the things we want to consider. The part of customers, what skills and knowledge is required from the customer side, right? Even we have some key resources. What is there from the part of customer skill? What is the knowledge of customers? How they know about our customer products, right? How they getting some knowledge about our products and benefits and features of our product, right? All the things. But other customers, apart from our product, the main, even the computer is there. What is their customer's mind? We want to analyze. That is a main resource to us to analyze a competitor's point of view. That is a major resource to develop our building blocks, right? Next one is key partners. The part of our point of view in the part of manufacturers, sellers, or producer perspective. Who are our key partners? What are the roles of our partners, right? That is a key partner in the sense it's a like kind of the primary role what who is doing the primary role in our market, our business, right? Even my shareholder is there, right? That is a business partner. Otherwise, I am doing a solo partnership, right? All things we want to analyze the part of part. What resources we need to from our partners, how we can get resources from the partners, what knowledge they have. One of partner is very silent, they financially help me to do my business, right? That is called as, even we are using the term, no, silent partners, right? Even symbolically we are using the term, right, locally, silent killer. Like there is a silent partner is there in my business. I want to develop my business financially. People are supporting. So silent partner is very much help us to develop my business. Right? Don't worry about the silent partners. They financially they are supporting. That is one kind of a good time to us, no, right? What is a benefit from that people? What is a cooperation from we are getting the kind of people, right? I'll think from the part of customer side, we got to know, right? What does the customers experience our partners? What is the knowledge about our partners? The partner in the sense they purchase. I want to develop my products, finished product, right? For the purpose of developing my product, I want to approach my suppliers. That is a raw material purchase. I want to purchase my raw material from the particular supplier. The supplier is also the partner to my business. So what is the feedback to the particular supplier from my customer? That is a very important one, right? What is experience? Right? All things we want to consider in the part of key partners activity. Right. Next one is things of mobilizing resources and partners in the part of key activities. Right? How we coordinate with a multi-party value creation, right? That is activity utilize and develop the partners and resources. The customer they utilize and develop partners and resources from the particular activities. All the things. Right? The part of cost structure. What is our cost of the particular things? What does the cost is inherent in our business model, right? We want to develop my model. I don't know all the things. I want to develop my revenue, right? What is our cost structure? That is cost structure preparation, cost sheet preparation, right? All the things. Right? The part of benefits to the customers, that is a cost and other sacrifice required from the customer in the benefits of cost structure. Right? We clearly know the what is the financial position of the business model from this kind of cost structure. We want to develop our, that is even we are using the term of build budgeting, budget preparation, right? Even today night I want to move to cinema, right? I want to plan some budget. I want to take money of 500 or 1000 in my wallet. I want to take to plan to so I will plan it to spend 500 or 1000 rupees. That is kind of the structure form. That is a budgeting, right? Cost structure, common activity. That is, these are the things we want to consider. The 9 building blocks, the part of the things. One is customer segment. Another one is value proportion. That is customer relationship, value creation, key activities, key resources, key partners, cost structure, revenue streams, all things we want to consider. That is a kind of the business blocks, right? Business model canvas. Right? The next step, next one is, right, what are the things apart from that particular structure form, right? Even for the purpose of understanding, I given this particular things. The part of customer segmentation, that is strategy management and management, marketing, IT and data-driven development, agencies or service providers, automotive financial e-commerce, all the areas they are doing some customer segmentation. Right? Revenue streams, that is projects, services, products. So revenue streams are some revenue metrics, the development part of you want to do all the areas, not only the manufacturing units. You want to do the part of projects and also the service industry also. Right? Channel, maybe the distribution of channel of distribution, maybe the direct sales are there, right? Or in the part of online mode. The customer relationship we want to maintain both the very whether it may be online or offline, right? Or direct contact and connection. The value proportion, actions and answer as a service, right? Part of a key resources. You can go through this particular slide. Yes, you can get some idea about the particular business model canvas. The terms are very different, but easily you can know whether you can try to apply this kind of activities in your small level business model. What are the key resources? What are the key activities? Right? Who is a key partner in my business? All the areas I give given the particular pictorial representation, right? The part of cost structure, R&D, human development, human talent, and business development, data processing. All the things, even the R&D is facing more values in the every organization. One, no, whether it may be manufacturing, the finished product. Once the finished product is came from the machinery, right? They want to check the product is good or not, right? You want to check whether there may be any defective item is there or not. That is a things of kind of business model. We want to come more confident. Want to more concentrate in this kind of activities, right? Next one is even we are in the position to a digital era, right? Previously we face some traditional marketing, even some nowadays traditional marketing also there, right? We are purchasing some traditional products, even we are doing some traditional marketing, right? So current position, even we want to face digital marketing, right? Even we are the youngsters, we are in the position to the age of 20 to 30, we are 50% of products we are purchasing through digital marketing, no? Even nowadays mobile phone, mobile accessories, all the things we are getting the help from digital marketing, right? We are not willing to purchase a traditional way of marketing things. So that's why I given some on conceptual framework, the part of digitalized segmentation. What kind of digitalized segmentation is there? Right, customer segment, right? Startups in different stages. Even where our youngsters mind, they have a lot of startup plans, innovation plans, ideas, right? So that's why the government is encouraging more number of hackathon activities. They're giving more financial support to hackathon activities. Our idea is good, so they will offering some financial support to us to do our startup, right? Other things you can learn from already digitalized companies, right? You can go through some completely 100% digitalized firms, established firms which are going to transform digitally, right? Even the traditionally they are well and good, and 100% they are good, doing good customer segmentation. All the things are the building blocks they are covered traditionally. But coming to the digitalized era, coming to implement some technical things, what they are doing, what kind of activities they are doing. You want to concentrate the things. You want to learn from the things, right? The part of revenue stream, consulting fees, the part of technology, right? I want to implement some technology or software in my company. right? I want to approach some consultant people. Even everywhere the consultancy is there, no? They're doing some middleman work. Even we are locally telling that the brokers, right? Even the farmers are facing the struggling the pricing methods from the like brokers, right? That is a middleman people. They're doing major role in the every activities in the form of agricultural commodities, right? So they want to overcome or overlook the particular things. The middlemen or the brokers, the farmers know about the technology, because most of the farmers are not aware about the unaware about the things technology. But we are in the digitalized era. They want to know, right? Even the young people are came to our agriculture farming. Lot of schemes are there in the part of agriculture, right? Because the schemes are not aware by the farmers because of some technical issues. Right? They're not aware about technology. The things, right? They approaching. They want to approach some people. There is a middleman. They, again, the middleman is the role is major role in our everyday activity. Right? Time and material contract, right? Shares of revenue or participation of new ideas, patent and subsidies, all things. Even the government is providing more subsidies to us, the small scale industries. They're welcoming more people, startup plans. They're offering subsidies to the people, those who are young or the women people. They're ready. The DIC Industries, right? District Industry Center, they're ready to offer some subsidies to the people to do the business. Even the existing business, they want to implement some technology or development or some innovation. They're offering to offering subsidy to the people for the development. Right, in the part of channels, remote consulting and analytic services, innovative consulting forms like open space, hackathons, all the things. Customer relationship, co-creation with the client, highly committed expert. Right? All the people are doing some yes, we want to develop our customer relationship. Yes, in the part of value propositions, all the things we want to develop or digitalized things, even the key activities, initiating some digital changes, even the setting up some environment for the ideation, incubation, prototyping, and entrepreneurship, all things. Right? Even many, all the engineering colleges or arts and colleges having some incubation centers. Right? They're welcoming the youngsters to do some startup activities. They're getting some financial support from the government. They're offering to the young students in the part of incubation center. Right? All things, even key resources, experience, problem solving skills, capacity, certain development skills they're required. That is a major resources. Likewise, we want to concentrate in the part of digitalized framework of block building blocks. Right? What are the partners? App developers are also one of the partner to us in the digitalized technology business. Right? User experience designers. These are things are the digitalized companies. Right? We want a digitalized company. These things are we want to more concentrate. User interaction designer, data scientists, data engineers, software engineers, hardware experts. All these people are the partners to digitalized companies. Right. Coming to the cost structure, full-time employees, contractors, cloud, other service architecture, right? Even you can use some clients. That is a kind of again the traditional way we are using the broker, consultant, or middleman. No, that is we are nowadays we are technically the term is termed into the clients, right? These things. The part of digitalized, we want to do the things like this, right? Example, right? Even the Skype, you know very well about the Skype and Lemonade, right? Here refreshing the lemonade to joggers at the public parks. Even the public parks are places. Even nowadays, the highways are filled by some small scale, small entrepreneurs, the business people, the marketers, right? Even local people, the vegetables, they're selling some vegetables in the highways, even the highways, they're selling the products. But it's a wrong method, and they're selling the products in the part of highway. Even even though they want to develop our economic condition of the rural people, so they are accepting, the government is accepting this kind of activities, right? Even the Skype affordable VOP calls. Another thing is the best example. We want to implement some business model canvas to our things. Right? The famous, very famous to know. We are very famous in the particular thing. Kelly's lemonade stand. That is a refreshing lemonade. Right? We can even can apply this 9 building blocks to any kind of business model, any kind of activities. Who is the target customer? Park visitor as a target customer to the people. This particular seller, right? Revenue streams, lemonade sales and tips. That is a revenue to the people, right? And channel of distribution, the booth sale or the website is a channel of the.
Sir, your PPT is not visible, sir.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Now
Now it
it's
is.
okay, ma'am? Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, these are the main segment building blocks to the people, right? What is a relationship? A personal relationship. They're maintaining some personal relationship. They interact with the people. That those who are using the particular things, they are interacting with the customers, right? Value propositions, cold, tasty, natural lemon, and on the right. Even coming to the resources, ingredients is a major resource to the people. Sales people, booth and equipment. These are the key resources to the particular marketer. Cost structure is the ingredients, equipment, flyers, salaries and commission. These are the cost structure to the people. Even nowadays, we are using the term, even the prospectus or brochure, we are using the termed as flyers, no? Right. Key partners, municipality is a major key partners to the people because they are the major role, playing the major role. They want to give some commission to the municipality, then only they run the business, the particular street, all things. Coming to the example of Skype. What is a customer segment? Web users globally, the people who want to call phones, right? That is a customer segmentation. Coming to the revenue stream, Skype out, prepaid or subscription, hardware sales, channel, Skype.com, they have headset, partnership, relationship, they're having mass customers. Skype, all the people are using the Skype network. Value proportions are free internet and video calling, cheap call, phone call, right? Key resources, software developers, software, right? These are the key resources to the people. Key activities, what they are doing, some software developments, right? Task structure, software development is a major role. Complaint management, right? Partners, payment as a payment provider is a partner to the people, the core resource major partners, right? Distribution partners, telecom partners, telecom, right? These are the things are the example to best example to the business model canvas, right? Even you can see some street vendors, they're doing something. Even this, even here with the Salem district, the farm harvest company is branded company. They are running the manufacturing unit, the part of Sitco area. They having the stall in the every major areas, the malls or in the major places, the busy places. They implement this kind of activities. They're doing some innovation in the part of our with the help of the business. Even the technology is very less implemented. Some 50% of technology is implemented. The part of this kind of business, they're doing some innovations. And the business model canvas, the one not only talk about the technology, is also the we need some innovation in the business model. Right? So even the elementary level is a business model is a skeleton of our business activities. Coming to the business model canvas is the basic level, that is a business model. All the we want to analyze, right? Equip ourselves in the part of innovation and technology. We want to plan it something that is called as business canvas model, right? Here I given some example, right? Resto 2.0, that is a restaurant 2.0 canvas. What is likewise I given some part of the understanding purpose. I given these things with the help of 9 black bullets, right? Even the same kind of the building blocks helps to the different way of methods. Not only the food industry, right? Telecom industry also they help. All the manufacturing units, IT, all things. Here, what is who is a customer? What is a customer segmentation, right? We want to analyze who is the current customers, who is the future customers. Right? Even the restaurant industries are very struggle in the part of during the COVID. Even the moving business. Every day they are moving business. Every day they selling the things, right? But even they're struggling that kind of situation. That kind of situation, even the traditional way of restaurants are right struggled a lot, right? The only the parcel is applicable. The government is rule given some procedure and rules to run the restaurant. Right? Without the sitting place, only the parcel is allowed. How they can manage? How they getting profit from the particular things? That way, here the technologies played major role. Right? Likewise, we want to think it overcome from this kind of consequences, things. Even the farmers very struggle, no? They easily they cultivated the commodities, the products, but they struggle to sell market the products. This kind of activities, it's a very rare case. We didn't expect this kind of accident, right? Even we can tell that it's a kind of accident. Likewise, we want to face some things. So we want to ready to face all the things. So that only the way that is we want to more concentrate the part of business model canvas with the help of our technology, our skills, knowledge, our previous business model, all the things. Right. So finally, coming to something later with business model canvas, where I want to develop my business model canvas, or how I want to develop my business canvas model canvas. Right. Beautifully there, the social media network or social media marketing. You can analyze all the activities the posted by the people. Right. Even I advise every webinars or programs, right? The young people are advised to utilize social media to the part of our developing skills. We want to develop your skills, you can utilize social media in the proper way. Right? I openly speaking about these things. The social media helped me to know more technology as well as upgrade my knowledge, right? Update myself, the part of current position of the particular industry or education industry sector, right? Even many online courses are there. How I can find how I want to search the Google? It's not like that. I want to not into search in Google, right? Social media help me to find some paths to do the things. Right? I have many groups, Indian professors, international level professors contact with the help of social media. I getting many things from the people, right? Not only the education sector, it's all the sector we want to develop our relationship, maintain our relationship. That is again the customer segmentation, right? Part of for the young people, engineering background people, right? I advise you to develop your social media activities, the part of the formal way, or the part of good manner. Right? You can do, you can make some contact to the higher level people, the part of other country, other state, other country, right? Then likewise, who is people are there in the part of our discipline. Suppose I'm doing civil engineering, right? You can get some contact civil engineering people from different cultural values, right? It's a easy, it's a not the things in the part of easy way to contact. It's a very easy way from the part of social media. You can easily contact the people. You can get some technology innovation things and the knowledge skills in the part of the way, right? As I purely, I hope you right. The social media help you to develop your innovation technology, update your knowledge skills in the part of your area, whether maybe the mechanical or automobile engineering people or civil engineering or agriculture engineering, all the people. Social media will help you to develop your innovation skills or things. Even nowadays, the young people are not using the Facebook, no? So even the Facebook pages also there, some innovative startups pages or entrepreneurs pages like it. Even the Instagram also they have, right? LinkedIn profile. There many people you can contact them. Many people through LinkedIn profile. YouTube, lot of things you want to know. You want to know something about the some terminology. You can get some easily. You can contact this kind of networking. Yes. I hope you are getting something related. You are getting some thing from the business model canvas from this today's guest lecture program, right? So purely the eye-opening section to you to understand about what is the meaning of business model canvas, right? What is the meaning of base level of business model or business model canvas? How we want to create our small scale industries or small medium scale industry, even large scale industry. How we want to develop our business model. I given some example to you. No, you can likely you can base the that is a 9 building blocks is a base to you. You can develop your business. You can try to implement this kind of building blocks to your business, right? I hope you understand the concept today's section. Understand the concept business model canvas, right? Thank you for the opportunity given by the management of Paavai Engineering College, organized by the IIC cell.
Thank you, sir, for your presentation. Any queries from the
Thank you,
student
ma'am.
side you can put forward?
மச்சான் பாட்டு போடு மச்சான் டேய் பாட்டு போடா டேய்
Any queries, you just raise your hand so that I'll enable the mic.
Yes, ma'am. I think all the people are understand the base level of business model canvas, right? That is awareness. Today we given awareness. They want to implement something ideas, some ideas to the things core area what they're doing in the form of business. So we hope the people are understand the today's concept.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Safa, you can go for vote of thanks, pa.
Good evening, everyone. I deem it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks today. First and foremost, I would like to thank Dr. M. Prem Kumar sir, President of Institutions Innovation Council IIC, Principal of Paavai Engineering College for the wonderful opportunity. Thank you, sir. My heart is filled with lots of gratitude and respect for our special guest, Dr. G. Venkateshan sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, Sona College of Arts and Science, Salem, for his amazing words of knowledge. Thank you, sir. I also take immense pleasure in thanking our IIC Vice President, Dr. K. Sundaramurthy, sir, Professor, Mechanical Department. Thank you, sir. My heartfelt thanks to IIC Convener, Dr. R. Mohanapriya, ma'am, Associate Professor, EC Department. Thank you, ma'am. I owe my special gratitude to Event Coordinator, Mr. S. Satish, sir, Associate Professor, EC Department, member of IIC and EDC cell. Thank you, sir. I also mention my deep sense of gratitude to the heads of various departments and the faculty members. Thank you, sirs and madams. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants for your cooperation. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Once again, I thank everyone for your attention. Thank you all.
Students, the feedback link is posted in the chat box. So kindly take utmost care in filling the feedback link to receive your certificates, and you can enable your camera for your photo session for a group photo. Whoever can enable your camera can do it. Shaktivel has raised your hand. Have you got any query? Thank you, participants. You can fill the feedback form, and I thank our resource person, Dr. Venkateshan sir from Sona College of Arts and Science. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.